Why pay 60 times more for a diamond? A 1.5 carat natural diamond costs $15,000, while a lab-grown one is just $250. Are you torn between forever symbolism and avoiding waste as an engaged couple? Can lab diamonds really replace natural ones? Let's uncover the truth with data today. First, the scientific fact: both are 100% pure carbon crystals with a Mohs hardness of 10 and identical sparkle. The world's most authoritative gemological laboratories, such as the International Gemological Institute and the Gemological Institute of America, grade both using the FRC standards cut, color, clarity, carat, so there is no difference in composition or quality criteria. Then why the huge price gap? The core value of natural diamonds lies in scarcity marketing. They form 1 billion to 3 billion years deep in the earth. Mining costs plus brand premiums account for 60% of the retail price. For example, a 1-carat high-quality natural diamond has an average price of $4,200 in 2025, while a lab-grown one is under $1,000, 72.8% cheaper. Lab-grown diamonds are synthesized via chemical vapor deposition (CVD) or high-pressure, high-temperature HPHT methods in 2 to 4 weeks. Mass-produced without mining pollution, their price has dropped 90% since 2022, turning luxury into affordable luxury. For example, with the same budget, you can only get a half-carat natural diamond, but a 2-carat top-tier D-color lab-grown one, which looks more elegant for daily wear. More importantly, the scarcity of natural diamonds is actually man-made. The De Beers brand once controlled 90% of the global diamond market, inflating prices by limiting supply. That's why, even though the earth is not short of diamond rough, ordinary consumers have to pay a fortune. Let's talk about resale value, the biggest concern for engaged couples. Many people say natural diamonds hold value, but the data tells a different story. Natural diamonds resell for only 20 to 60% of their retail price. For example, a 1-carat natural diamond ring priced at $10,000 may only fetch $3,000 to $5,000 second-hand. Why so low? Because 60% of the retail price is brand markup, rent, and advertising costs. Recyclers only care about the raw stone value. Some think lab-grown diamonds are worse for resale, and it's true they resell for 10 to 30% of retail, but let's do the math. Spend $1,500 on a lab-grown diamond and lose $1,200 reselling. Spend $10,000 on a natural diamond and lose $6,000. That's actually more loss. The only diamonds that really hold or increase in value are extremely rare natural diamonds over 5 carats D-color and flawless clarity, which account for only 0.1% of the market. 99% of wedding ring diamonds are under 2 carats. So neither natural nor lab-grown are good investments. They are essentially emotional purchases. Looking at market trends, the 2025 market has clearly split. Lab-grown diamonds have a 47.7% penetration rate in U.S. engagement rings, with 67% of Gen Z couples choosing them. Gen X and baby boomers prefer natural diamonds, valuing heritage symbolism, but natural diamonds' market share has been shrinking, with only a slight rebound in the second quarter of 2025 unable to reverse years of decline. Young people choose lab-grown diamonds not just because they are cheaper, but because they get better quality. 85.9% of lab-grown diamonds are top-tier DF color, and 35.3% have VVS1 or VVS to high clarity, far higher than the average quality of natural diamonds. For example, with the same budget, you can get a flawless VVS clarity lab-grown diamond, while a natural diamond may only be SI clarity with visible tiny inclusions. This trend is evident worldwide. 70% of Gen Z couples in the UK choose lab-grown diamonds, 75% in Australia, and 63% in Canada. The core reasons are ethics and customization. Lab-grown diamonds avoid deforestation, water pollution, and labor issues from mining, and their low price allows couples to choose unique shapes. For example, oval lab-grown diamonds account for 28.7%, surpassing round, while 47.9% of natural diamonds are still round. How to choose: 3 objective questions to help you decide. First, budget priority. Choose lab-grown diamonds. Spend the price of a 1-carat natural diamond to get a 2-carat high-quality lab-grown one. The saved money can be used for a honeymoon, a house down payment, or home appliances, which is more practical. Second, symbolism matters most. Choose natural diamonds. If formed over billions of years aligns with your eternal love concept, go for it, but avoid brand premiums. Buy loose stones plus custom settings, which can save more than 30% compared to branded finished products, for example, a 1-carat.